Just thinking about stuffs. Well, good sunny, chilly morning to you from Minnesota, everybody. I don't do this too often. I'm in an RV park. That's because most of the water everywhere here in Minnesota is turned off this time in the year, and I needed water. So $30 a night for unlimited power, water. I rinsed my dump tank there, and took the bike off, washed the entire RV. Actually asked them where I could wash it. I said, wash it right there. Did a couple loads in the laundry room, one of the nicest laundry rooms I've ever seen, just for the convenience factor. I mean, it's just quarters, it don't matter. And now we'll get back on the road all refreshed. Well, Yoda refreshed. Me and Jack's refreshed as well. So let me pack up everything, and then we'll be heading on down the Great River Road. So I think we're ready to go. Jack's, you comfy? Happy Halloween, everybody, October 31st. Hope you all have a fun, safe evening tonight. We're all warmed up, everything put away, unhooked, and get on the road now. Ready? Oh. So what you should know about me is that certain things spark my interest. For instance, a sign saying Botanical Garden, metal sculpture garden, off to your yeah, we're gonna check it out. Look at that, don't you just want to climb up that thing? I won't because it's art, but it's weird. Stairway to Nowhere, oh yeah. This is the little walking trail that they provide for you. The freaking grass is taller than I am. I just realized all of these actually have little plaques and signs. Like this one is just called When It Rains by Andrew McGuffey. No other information, but it's a tilted house with a weird chimney looking thing. Okay. Also, this sculpture park is just acres and acres long. There's stuff everywhere out there. It's weird. It's like a scorpion with a cannon, just called the Snark Tank. Cool. All right. Okay, I really want to know what this one's called. Let's see here. Untitled. Yeah, thanks, guys. How do you make art and not title it? Come on. Huh. All right, interesting little art park here off the Great River Road. Oh, we got to get back on the road, though. We are on the national route of the Great River Road. I'm here in the city of Red Wing, Minnesota, and I'm waiting, obviously, by this thing reminding me. There's the water down there. Yeah, I believe this is where they make the Red Wing shoes, guys. Red Wing Confectionery? Oh, man. Happy Halloween. Red Wing bicycles. There's Duluth Trading down there. And here we are at the Red Wing Shoe Store in Red Wing, Minnesota. Look at Paul Bunyan's Red Wing boot. Actually, I don't even think that would fit the Statue of Liberty right there. That is pretty cool. I'm glad we got to see the world's largest boot, they claim. And they have a free museum upstairs, so check it out. 1905, purpose-built footwear was born. You want to see the evolution of how a Red Wing boot is built? There's how they start cutting it out of leather. You got the heel stay and the pull strap on the front, the gusset, the vamp, the quarter. The plug goes into the vamp. Okay, then they have that seam right there. Hey, it's starting to look like a boot, guys. That's really fun to see. Well, then they put the sole on. Cork-like material, okay. The outsole is glued to the midsole, and we have a boot. Bootyful. Yuck, yuck. Thank you, I'm here all day. Actually, we gotta get on the road. So, goodbye, Minnesota. Okay, one of the weird things about the Great River Road is that it's not really the Great River Road. It's almost entirely the Great River Roads. Okay, on each state side there is a Great River Road. You could literally do it twice and see totally different stuff each time. That seems kind of weird, right? So lots and lots to see. As you can see, the Mississippi River, we are crossing over. And once we get to the middle of the Mississippi River here, we are now in Wisconsin. I know you hate the bumps, Jax. I'm sorry. Okay, you want to go under my seat? All right, buddy. Sorry. But yeah, so we're just going to change things up and explore a little bit of the Wisconsin side of the Great River Road instead. Might as well. Look at that mighty river. Oh yeah. Lots of construction. The roads are terrible, but it is what it is. I personally feel like the Wisconsin side might be a little better. And that's great that you have options. You can do it multiple times, but I mean, plus their road is actually, the highway is called the Great River Road. It's named the Great River Road on the actual map. So they've got just tons and tons of these beautiful overlooks with plenty of convenient RV parking. Woohoo! I think I'm gonna have lunch right here. Yeah. Hang on. Hang on. No, not this guy, but you're terrifying. It's Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot, guys. How long have I searched for the elusive Bigfoot? Years and years on YouTube. There's been a couple times where I've come close. Maybe it started raining and he rusted, kind of like the Tin Man. That's definitely him. Yes. I know, I'm easily amused. Speaking of Tin Man, Wizard of Oz, now as we like walk through the trees, you got the apples on the trees, and now I feel like we're reliving Wizard of the Oz. Wizard of the Oz, Eric, really? It's been a long day. Some people build fences for privacy. Some people build fences to keep people out. In Wisconsin, they build fences because they have an alarming amount of leftover snow skis. This is an entire, I don't know, 300 feet long fence made out of nothing but skis. Pretty strange, guys. You like it? I like it. They got a lot of political signs too, but I've never seen anything like that. What is this? Can I camp right here? I guess so. It's just a little weird. Like, I parked, and then as soon as I started looking at the water, I was like, now wait a minute. Are we gonna see gators? Oh no, we're in Wisconsin. But something about this really has that swampy Florida feel, doesn't it? Kinda? No, this is a moving river. I don't know if it's part of the Mississippi on the other side. Probably just the floodplains, you know, like when the Mississippi goes over its banks, has to go somewhere. That's why it looks so swampy, because it's such a massive river. There's also water on the other side of my RV, little parking turnaround area, you might call it. I don't know what to call it officially. I really like the colors though. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty. And there's a little plaque here that says, "In memory of J. Reed. We had our look at paradise. We sipped from eternity's cup. We listened to the music of the universe. Milwaukee Journey Sentinel, Wisconsin DNR." And this one over here says, "Huck's Landing, in memory of Huck Seifert, the Nelson Trappers of 1989. Cool. Well, then this becomes my first official free campsite on the Mississippi River. And hopefully there's a lot more of this to come, because I'm getting solar. Batteries are fully charged. I got plenty of water and propane, and not too scabby. There is road noise. Every time they come over the bridge, you can hear it clunk, clunk, but it's not too bad. Some people couldn't put up with that, but for free, I think it's worth it. Don't really need to put him on a leash right now. There's no danger. We're not near the highway, and he's happy just chewing on some grass. So, man, what a fun day today. I'm really glad I crossed over here into Wisconsin because it was, sorry, a little better than the version on the Minnesota side. You like it, don't you, Jax? Yeah, but it's kind of noisy. So again, happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Wednesday, and goodbye, Skeletor. I gotta pack him up for the year again. Put him up top in the cab over area, and move on to the next season. Woohoo! Guys, have a great Halloween. Be safe. Jackson, I'll see you on Friday here, back on the Great River Road, heading south towards warmer climates, hopefully. Bye, guys.